Amazon is offering a new program, all right? I think it's been there for a couple months already, but like I just got invited into it, and I wanted to talk a little bit about it in today's video. This program is called the Prime Try Before You Buy program. It's a program in which people can actually buy clothing, shoes, jewelry, and not pay for it until a week later. I think they can first try it and then decide if they want to keep it or if they want to return it. So in today's video, we are going to talk a little bit about what this program is, if you should turn it on or turn it off, the benefits, the inconvenience, and more importantly, I'm going to tell you exactly why I am not going to enroll in that program. Before we start the video, you guys know that if you want to grow fast in any industry that it is, you're going to need two things, all right? You're going to need to build a network and you're going to need mentorship, all right? Ideally, this is what you want. If you need mentorship, I have two options for you, all right? First of all, if you're a beginner, total beginner, all right? You are really a beginner. Link in the description, you're going to find a wait list, all right, for my mentorship program where I'm going to take 4 to 6 of you guys and take you guys from $0 to $10,000 a month in sale. If you have the capital, you're going to need money, and this is going to be a paid program as well, right? So if you do not even have $100 to invest in inventory, this is not going to work for you. All right, so you need to be a beginner, you need to have some capital, and you need to have the time investment, right? Because it's going to take sometimes the program that's going to take 6 to 8 weeks where we're going to meet every single week with the group and with individual sessions, all right? So if you are motivated, join the waitlist in the description. Second link that you're going to find is one-on-one coaching, right? So if you need one-on-one coaching right now, you can book a session literally tomorrow. If you need one-on-one coaching, you need a plan to actually scale your business. Doesn't matter if you're a beginner or if you're more advanced. We can build a plan for you. Just up on a call with me. Link in the description. We're going to build a plan. We're going to follow you until you reach that goal, all right? Third thing you're going to find, networking. If you want to meet other people in the industry, best way to do it, join the Discord server and be active on it, all right? Talk in general. Ask questions, answer people questions, and you'll meet some friends eventually, all right? So, how is it called again? The Try Before You Buy program. So basically what it is, it's a program by Amazon where if you buy clothing, shoes, jewelry, you can build a box of 6 items, or I guess it's like an outfit. If I understand correctly, you can build a, 6 fashion items. You can build a box, this is what they say. Yeah, you can build a box of up to 6 fashion items and order them, and you do not have to pay them straight away. You can just, I don't know, you have 7 days to try them, and then if you want to keep them, you need to pay. So the good thing is that if people actually return the items, you do not need to pay the fulfillment fee. Amazon will reimburse the fulfillment fee that you paid. So this is a good thing for returns. Now, I'm pretty sure that you are going to have a slight boost in sale if you actually enroll your ASINs in that program. But you need to know that all your eligible items are enrolled by default, all right? So right now, if you sell clothes and if you receive the email that you are, what is the email saying? You and your product have been selected for enrollment into Amazon's Prime Try Before You Buy program. If you've received this email from Amazon, you probably already, like all your clothing items are probably enrolled, all the items that are eligible are enrolled into the program. And so if I were you, I would actually not enroll into the program. And here's the reason why. I personally, and no, here's the thing. Amazon probably knows way more than me when it comes to business. They know what's best for their business, not necessarily mine, all right? And so I know that this program, at the end of the day, is only going to benefit Amazon. It's going to benefit Amazon more than it is going to benefit us, right? And so, for that reason, you know, I do not believe in training people to get stuff for free, all right? And so I may be in the wrong place to say that because I offer a lot of content for free on just selling on Amazon in general. But like when it comes to products and when it comes to products I sell, I do not believe in letting people actually getting away with getting stuff for free, because especially when it comes to the clothing category on Amazon, people, I don't know if whenever you go to UPS, the UPS store, you see those people, those soccer moms, returning tons and tons of stuff. Like they return 10 to 15 items at a time, all the time inside the UPS store. And so people are already trained to buy stuff and return it with Amazon. And so maybe the fact that the fulfillment fee is going to be reimbursed with that program if people return items, is going to offset this thing and can benefit you, but I do not believe it. At the end of the day, when Amazon does something, it's just for their interest and not for the sellers. And so it is just going to be better for Amazon than it is for us. Because I'm pretty sure that the returns are going to be way worse than without the program, because people are just going to get stuff for free, try it, wear it for a day, and then return it without even paying. Right? This is the worst part. Without even having to pay, having to have money withdrawn from their account and then reimbursed. So for that reason, it really does not feel like it doesn't really feel like it is going to benefit us as sellers, and for that reason I unenrolled all my ASINs from the program. No, as I said, maybe it can offset with the FBA fulfillment fee reimbursement, maybe it can offset the returns and stuff like that. I do not want to be the person that's going to figure it out. All right, so if you want to figure it out, please let us know in the comments how it affected your business. They're not gonna try this on me, all right? I do not want to try this with my account, with my money, all right? If you want to try it, feel free to try it and let us know in the comments or in the Discord server. I'm not going to try this stuff, all right? So that's pretty much it when it comes to the Prime Try Before You Buy program, or however it's called. Yeah, because everything else is going to be pretty much the same with that program. It's just the fulfillment fee that is going to be reimbursed. That's pretty much it, all right? So if you want to keep learning about selling on Amazon, watch these videos on the screen right now. If you do not know me, my name is Mangunza. I release a new video about selling on Amazon every single day on this YouTube channel until at least the end of the year. So we have a few months to go. If you have questions, if you have specific questions, as always, leave them in the comments, leave them in the Discord server, and most of the time I answer them with a full video going in depth into the subject. So if it was helpful, I hope it was helpful. Thank you for watching. I'll see you tomorrow.